everyone, so by this look you get to know I finished my workout and it's currently 8:50. So I did like about 45 minutes working out and I'm so tired. And now I'm gonna just sit for a minute and let the sweat dry, and after that I'm gonna take a shower. So yeah. Hi everyone, welcome. So I just got done getting shower and now I'm going to be getting ready for the day, and then I'll plan my day, and I have to do some work for my classes today, and after that I'll probably have my classes. It's from 12:15 to 2:45, and yeah, it's gonna be fun. And also guess what, I got my nails done, and by the way I did it. I didn't went anywhere because it's locked down here in Kerala, so I did myself. So yeah, today's weather is like such a beautiful weather. It's not too cold, it's not too hot, it's like the medium weather, and I love it. So cheers to the weather. Hi everybody, so it's currently 12:15. I'm going to be joining my English class right now, and you guys see my desk. It's like so messy. Like I don't know why it became this messy. I always clean. This is so embarrassing, lol. Hi everybody, this is a little later. It's currently 12:34 and I didn't had English class today. Hi everyone, so my break is going on right now, so I thought of making some reels. So if you want to check them out, go follow me on my Instagram. The ID is there in the description down below. Thank you, ma'am. Hi everyone, so the clips which you're going to be seeing right now are the clips in which I unboxed my new phone case which I got from Amazon, and I'm really sorry because it's all over the place. But anyways, let's move on with the video and I hope you enjoy.